My name's Connor van Steekelenburg. I'm a co-owner here at Cosmic Plants. We're located in Beamsville, Ontario, Canada. Cosmic Plants is specialized in Phalaenopsis orchids. We grow them in 3-inch and 5-inch pot sizes in all sorts of colors and shapes. The company was founded in 2004 when we emigrated from the Netherlands. It was founded by my uncle Mike and my father Neil. They're 4th generation growers, and my brothers Liam, Aiden, and I are 5th generation growers. One of the things that drew us to Signify is the fact that it's a large, strong, and reputable company. There wasn't always huge certainty or security in the LED market, but we thought if we're going to make that leap, we want to partner with a company that we know can stand behind their product, even if things go wrong. One of the main reasons why we decided to go with LED lighting over HPS is because we needed to realize a higher light output, but we were limited in how much electricity capacity we had. When making the decision to go with the Toplight linear, we were really interested in having the best possible uniformity for our crop. As you can see here, we chose to go with a checkerboard pattern where we alternate between the white vision lights and the pink medium blue lights. We ended up doing quite a bit of the installation ourselves, which was made very easy with the plug-and-play nature of these light fixtures. In choosing to go with the LED lights, we were able to reduce the energy usage by about 35–40% while increasing the output by about 35–40%.
My name is Neil van Steekelenburg and I'm the owner of Cosmic Plants together with my oldest son Connor. We started in 2004 with the traditional high-pressure sodium lights. And in 2016, when we bought this facility here, it also came with HPS lights. The lights here are actually that old that we were not able to buy parts anymore, which made us decide now we have to buy something new. And of course, looking at the newest technology, we thought LED lighting from Philips would be the best solution. One of the advantages of LED is that they can be instantaneous on and off. We can also dim them all the way down to 10%. The Signify and Philips LED lights are controlled through a system called GrowWise, and GrowWise helps also dim those lights. We are able to mimic the sunset as the plant experiences it in the rainforest where they naturally grow, and we're able to dim the light and keep a constant light level that is optimum for the growth. We are very excited about our partnership with Signify and the support we get from them, and we're looking forward to another expansion.